Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. We're gonna go explore Ubud part of Bali today. So it's about a 1 hour drive from down here in Seminyak, a little bit north up in the mountains. So enjoy the ride and we're gonna catch you in Ubud. All right, here we got my garage of my nice selection of whips right here. We're gonna take the NMAX 155cc today. We've just arrived at Little Talks Cafe here in Ubud. We're gonna have some breakfast, do a bit of work, and then we're gonna go explore around Ubud after. So check out some of the views from this cafe here. In the middle of the jungle here in Ubud, overlooking the forest. So pretty awesome views here from the cafe. All right, breakfast at Little Talks Cafe was a success. Now we're headed over to the monkey forest to see what the monkeys are up to. All right, guys, we just made it to the parking lot of the monkey forest. As you can see behind me, the motorbike parking is not very full at all. It's pretty empty, so it seems like it's a good time to come here traveling while the country is still not completely open, but here we are at the monkey forest. So the goal on today's trip to the monkey forest here is to not get attacked, not get sunglasses, not get phone, not let anything get stolen. I haven't been to this monkey forest before, but I have seen other monkeys in the wild here in Bali, and they can be pretty aggressive, especially if you have stuff hanging on you. They like to come up and grab it. So tip is, if you come to these places, just make sure your valuables are not in reach for them. Make sure you have some straps around your bags or anything. Everything's nice and secured. Hello. Temperature check, yeah. What do you say? Okay, thank you. All right, we just got our ticket here to the monkey forest. Cost 60,000 rupiah, which is roughly, I don't know, around $4 US. Some goldfish here in the pond. Hello.
Hello, I just your picture, please.
Thank you.
Semut deh, semut.
We've just entered the monkey forest. I've spotted the first few monkeys. Let's go ahead and see how this trip goes. Hopefully don't get attacked by any monkeys in here. All right. Here we go. Here's our first monkey in the forest here. See the baby monkey attached on the bottom of the mama? And there they go. What's up, big dude? right, we got a monkey here chilling out, sun tanning, getting a massage from the other one, living the good life. All right, guys, we are just leaving the monkey forest here in Ubud. I would highly recommend it if you want to come see some monkeys in their natural habitat. So there's no cages or anything here. This is an open monkey forest. The park just feeds the monkeys throughout the day. So they said there's over 1,050 monkeys here living currently in the monkey forest. So you can get up close and personal to these monkeys, even get a chance to get within just a few feet from them. So check it out if you definitely get a chance. Highly recommended monkey forest here in Ubud. All right, so we've just left the monkey forest and we're making our way to the Tagalogong rice field. So we're gonna go have some lunch at the Tagalogong rice field and enjoy the epic views overlooking the Rice Terraces. Taking a little bit of pit stop here to fill up the old trusty scooter. We're gonna put in 60,000 rupiah to give us a full tank, which is roughly $4. Here we are at Tagalogong rice fields. All right, just finished up lunch at the Tagalogong rice fields. Here we are currently behind a truck full of chickens and we're making our way back to Seminyak. It's about a 1-hour drive. So we're gonna go down and enjoy the sunset and coconut on the beach to finish off an epic day exploring Bali, exploring Ubud. Just finished the ride back from Ubud. It was about a 45-minute motorbike ride. We are down here at the beach now to finish up with a sunset and coconut view to enjoy the evening.